Hello, Lili here. Today we are starting with Class 3, Chapter 3 of your Log On to Computer textbook. The name of the chapter is Introduction to MS Word 2010. Nowadays, computers are widely used for typing letters, writing books, notes, manuals, and so on. Most of these functions are done on a word processor. A word processor is a program which processes words. We can type, edit, format, save, and print words. In fact, we can do much more with words using a word processor. In this chapter, we shall learn about one of the most popular word processors called the Microsoft Word, also called MS Word. It is a part of a group of programs called the Microsoft Office. It is developed by the world's biggest software company called Microsoft Corporation. Other popular word processors are WordPad, OpenOffice.org Writer, WordStar, and WordPerfect. Words, numbers, etc. that we type on a computer are collectively called text. MS Word. Microsoft Word, commonly known as MS Word or simply Word, it is the most popular word processing software package. It is a part of the MS Office package developed by Microsoft Incorporated USA. Just as the Windows operating system has many versions, MS Word also has different versions like Word 95, Word 97, Word 2000, Word 2003, Word 2007, and the latest is Word 2010. Each newer version comes with a few modified features so as to meet with the advanced requirements. In operating systems like Linux, OpenOffice is used instead of MS Word. Starting MS Word 2010. To start MS Word 2010, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs. Step 3. Click on Microsoft Office. Step 4. Click on Microsoft Word 2010. MS Word starts up as shown in Figure 3. And finally, you will get the MS Word 2010 window. Exploring MS Word window. Let us study MS Word 2010 window. Title bar. This bar is positioned on the top of the MS Word window. Title bar displays three things: Quick Access Toolbar, name of current document, and the control buttons. The Quick Access Toolbar contains tool buttons which can be clicked to execute various commands. Tabs. Tabs are located just below the title bar. There are 8 tabs: File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, Reference, Mailing, Review, and View. Ribbon. This is a new introduction to MS Word from its previous version. The ribbon shows different groups of commands according to the selected tab. Rulers. Rulers display information such as page margin, tab stops, and index. The user can also set page margin, tab stops, and indents using rulers. 2 rulers are provided, one at the top of the document, horizontal ruler, and another to the left side, vertical ruler. A horizontal ruler of MS Word is shown in Figure 7. Scroll bar. Sometimes the entire document may not be visible in the active window. So, scroll bars are used to view different areas of the document in the active window. There are two scroll bars, horizontal and vertical. The vertical scroll bar is used to move the screen up or down. The horizontal scroll bar shifts the display of the screen horizontally, that is, left or right. A horizontal scroll bar is shown in Figure 8. Document area. It is the area where you type your text. Status bar. The status bar displays the number of pages in the document, column number, and the line number on which the inserting point is positioned. A status bar is shown in Figure 9. It also displays number of words present in a document or the selected area. Cursor. A cursor is a symbol that indicates the position on the document where the next character will be typed. It keeps on blinking on the page so that the user knows where the next key being pressed will be typed. A cursor is shown in Figure 10. It can be moved using the arrow keys, mouse click, and a variety of key combinations. Show Hide ribbon. It is a small button at the right top corner. This shows and hides the ribbon. The Show ribbon button shows the ribbon, while the Hide ribbon button hides the ribbon. Document views. There are a number of small buttons which can be used to view the current document in various forms. It also includes a slider to make the document look bigger or smaller. The document view buttons are shown in Figure 11. Navigation buttons. These buttons let you move to the previous page and the next page. Help button. It is a small button at the right top corner. You can get help on the current relevant topic by clicking on this button. Show Hide rulers. It is a small button at the right top corner of the current document area. This shows and hides the ruler lines. Click on it once to show and click again to hide rulers. Now here you should match. Number 1 is Quick Access Toolbar. Number 2 is Tabs. Number 3 is Ribbon. Number 4 is Ruler. And number 5 is Horizontal Scroll Bar. Now let us learn about tabs in MS Word. There are 8 tabs available on the MS Word ribbon. These tabs display list of comments options. More comments can be shown by clicking at the expand button of each tab. Let us study about some commonly used tabs. File tab. Clicking on the File tab will open a window. This window offers a number of files-related options. These options help us to create a new document or open an already existing one, saving a document or printing any document. Home tab. The Home tab contains 5 groups. Each group contains a number of useful tools. Clipboard group. This group contains tools that help us to cut, copy, and paste text and objects. Font group. Sometimes you need to change the properties of fonts. This group contains all the necessary tools to modify the font properties like bold, italic, and underline. Bold, italic, and underline can also be done using Ctrl+V, Ctrl+I, and Ctrl+U shortcut respectively. Paragraph group. This group contains options related to paragraph formatting. Using these options, you can apply the desired text alignments and paragraph spacing. You can insert bullets and numberings. You can indent paragraphs, draw borders, and apply background color to paragraphs. Style group. The combination of all the properties related to the appearances of a page is called style. It specifies whether a piece of text is in heading or the body text. The styles group offers many such styles which you can apply by just clicking on them. Editing group. This group contains all the editing commands that let us find, replace, and select a particular block of text or objects such as pictures and images. Insert tab. The Insert tab contains 7 groups. These groups offer options to insert various objects into your Word document. Page group. This group contains 3 options related to page. Using this group, one can insert a cover page, blank page, and page break. Tables group. Using this option, you can insert tables in your document. You can specify the number of rows and columns of the table you want to insert. Illustration group. Options on this group allow you to insert in your document various pictorial objects such as pictures, charts, shapes, smart art, clip art, and even screenshots. Link group. Options on this group allow you to insert clickable links on other objects. You can also create bookmarks so that you can jump to it from anywhere in the document easily. Header and footer group. Options on this group allow you to insert header and footer in your document. You can also insert page numbers and date on each page. Text group. Options on this group allow you to insert various styles of text in your document. Symbol group. Options on this group allow you to insert various types of symbols in your document. Page Layout tab. This tab contains 5 groups. These groups allow you to set various properties of the pages in your documents. Themes group. Options on this group allow you to apply a theme on the page of the current document. Page Setup group. This group offers options to set margins, size, orientation of the page, etc. Page Background group. This group contains options that help you in creating border around a page, changing page color, and inserting a watermark. Paragraph group. This group contains several options that can be used to control various properties of a paragraph, such as indentation and spacing. Arrange group. Using options on this group, one can specify how a paragraph would be laid out around a picture or any other object. Review tab. This tab contains 7 groups. Using the groups of this tab, you can perform a variety of document reviewing functions. View tab. This tab contains 5 groups. Using these groups, you can work with various views of the document. Navigate through the various tabs of MS Word ribbon. Locate the following groups and tools. Write the name of the tab in front of each of them. Paragraph, Home tab. Find, Home tab. Text, Insert tab. Tables, Insert tab. Margins, View tab. Equations, Insert. Theme, Page Layout, Clip Art, Insert, Zoom, View tab, and Page Borders, Page Layout. Creating a document. When MS Word is started, it opens a new document, ready to be used for typing. You can create as many documents as you need. To start a new document, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Click on the new document in a File tab. Different types of documents are listed. These are templates or models, which can be modified as per your requirement. Step 2. Select the type of document you want to create. Here we will select blank document and then press the Create button. Or you can also double-click on the template to create that type of document. Or you can press Ctrl and N keys together on the keyboard. This command opens a blank document. Typing text in MS Word. Let us now begin typing in MS Word. You can click on the document area and begin typing. But before you begin, here are a few rules you must keep in mind. Some rules for typing. Type continuously. If the line ends, do not press Enter. MS Word will start the new line automatically. This feature is known as word breath. Press the Enter key only when you change the paragraph. Give single space between two words. Always leave a space after every punctuation mark. A file in MS Word is also called a document. When you open a file, you will see document 1 written on the title bar. This is the default file name of the file. Keep the caps lock key off. In case you wish to type 1 or 2 capital letters in between, use the Shift key. Save your work after every 15-20 minutes. This will ensure that you do not lose your work in case of any technical or power failure. Open the MS Word and type the following poem. Saving the current document. When you have finished working with your document, save it before you exit MS Word. You can later open this document and work on it. To save the current documents, the steps are as follows. Number 1. Click on the Save icon located in a quick access toolbar, or you can press Ctrl and S keys together, or you can click on Save in the File tab. If the document is being saved for the first time, this command will open as Save As dialog box. Step 2. Enter the file name. Select a folder where you want to save this file. Step 3. Click on the Save button to actually save the document. If the file has already been saved with a name, then no Save As dialog box appears. The file is saved without any dialog. A document can also be saved by another name. For this, click on the Save As option in the File tab. Enter a new name here to save this document by that name. MS Word 2010 documents are saved with .docs file name extensions. For example, if you provide the file name ABC, then the file will be saved as abc.docs. Exiting MS Word. Once you have finished working with MS Word, you must close the MS Word application. To close the MS Word application, use any of the following methods. Click on the Exit button on the File tab. Click on the Close button in the window control box located at the top right corner. Right-click on the title bar and select the Close option, or press Alt plus F4. Point the mouse at the MS Word icon on the taskbar and click on the Close button of the thumbnail of the document. Whichever way you choose to close MS Word, if you have not saved file, a dialog box will appear. This dialog box informs that the document named Document1 has not been saved. If you want to save this document, click on the Save button. If you don't want to save it, click on the Don't Save button. If you want to get back to the document, click on the Cancel button. Number 1 across. Shortcut key combination for opening a new document. It is Ctrl+N. Number 3 across. This tool allows one to view the hidden portion of the document. You should find out this. Number 4. Default file name extension of MS Word 2010 document. It is docx. Downside: the position where the next character will be inserted is cursor. And number 2, ribbon tab where clipboard and font group are located is in home tab. Opening a saved file. To open a saved file, you must open it from the location where you saved it. To open a file which you have already saved, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on Open. The Open dialog box appears. Step 3. From the left pane, click on Documents if the file is saved in Documents. Step 4. Type the name of your file in the File Name box or click on your file name from the Files box. Step 5. Click on the Open. You can also use the shortcut keys CTRL+O to open your file. Now, let's learn about editing in MS Word. While typing text in the MS Word document, you may make grammatical errors or spelling mistakes. Besides, once you are through with your work, you might wish to add on a few words or sentences to your text. Making changes in the existing text in a document is called editing the document. For the purpose of making the desired changes in the existing text, MS Word provides a wide variety of tools called the editing tools. With these tools, you can make the desired changes in your text without retyping the entire text once again. However, in a manual typewriter, making frequent changes in the text is impossible. Editing can be done at all levels of the text, character, word, sentences, paragraph, page, and even the whole document. Let us study some of the editing features in MS Word. Before we learn how to edit, let us learn how to select the text. Selecting text. Text can be selected in any of the following ways. Selecting text using mouse. To select text using mouse, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Place the cursor at the beginning of the text. Step 2. Press the left button of the mouse. Step 3. Drag the pointer to the last character of the text to be selected. And step 4. Release the left button of the mouse. Keyboard shortcut. You can select the whole document by pressing the CTRL+A, cut it by CTRL+X, and copy using CTRL+C, and paste using CTRL+V. Selecting text using keyboard. To select text using keyboard, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Place the cursor at the beginning of the text. Press the Shift key and hold it down. Click on the last character with the left button of the mouse while the Shift key is still held down. Release the Shift key, or place the cursor at the beginning of the text. Press the Shift key and hold it down. Move the cursor using the arrow keys while the Shift key is still pressed down. Release the Shift key. Once you complete any one of the above steps, the text will be highlighted. This indicates that the text is now selected. Any action you take will be applied to the selected text. Adding text. To add a letter, a word, or a sentence, you need to place the cursor at the desired location in your document, that is, at the place where you want to add the text. To bring the cursor from one place to another, you can do either of the following. Click the mouse pointer on the desired place or move the cursor with the help of the arrow keys. These arrow keys are present on numlock section of the keyboard. After positioning the cursor where you want to add the text, you may start typing your text. The typed text will be inserted at the cursor and the text following it will move forward. Now removing text. You can remove a character and can remove a block of text too. Let us learn how. To remove a character, the delete and backspace keys are used to remove the character, a letter or a space. It should be noted that the delete key on the keyboard removes characters to the right of the cursor and the backspace key on the keyboard removes the characters to the left of the cursor. Now, to remove a block of text, both delete and backspace keys remove only one character at a time. Therefore, these keys are not suitable for removing a large number of characters, words, lines, and paragraphs. If you wish to remove a large chunk of characters, words, lines, and paragraphs, you should first select the text and then press delete key or remove the selected text or backspace key to remove the selected text or any key to replace the selected text with the pressed key. Now, changing text. When you want to change the text, delete the old text and type the new text. Or, still better, it is to select the text and begin typing over it, copying text. In MS Word, you can copy a block of text from one place to another in the same document or in any other document. You do not need to retype the text again and again. To copy and paste the text, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Select the text you want to copy. Step 2. Copy the selected block of text to the clipboard by following any of the following ways. Right-click on the selected text and then click on the copy command or click on copy located on the clipboard group in the Home tab or press CTRL+C keys together once. Step 3. Place the cursor where you want to copy the text. Here, it's telling that copying a block of text and placing it at the required place is called copy-paste. And the clipboard is a location in a computer operating system that stores information when you cut or copy text. And the step 4 is paste the copied text in any of the following ways. Right-click at the cursor, you will be presented with the following paste options. All the three options paste the copied text at the current location or click on the paste icon located on the clipboard group in the Home tab and then at the appropriate option or press Ctrl and V keys together once. In all these cases, the copied text will be pasted at the cursor location. Moving text. You can also move a block of text from one place to another in the same or a different document. You can do this using the cut-paste operation. The steps are similar to copy-paste. Let us learn about them. Step 1. Select the block of text as explained in the previous section. Cut the selected block of text in any of the following ways. Right-click on the selected text and then click on the cut command or click on the cut located on the clipboard group in the Home tab or press Ctrl and X keys together once. The selected text will be removed from the current location and will be moved to the clipboard. Step 3. Place the cursor where you want to paste the text you just cut. You can either use the mouse click or arrow keys to place the cursor at the desired location, as explained in the previous section. Step 4. Paste the text from the clipboard at the current location. The pasting operation is the same as the copy-paste operation. Recall time. The application software used for creating and manipulating textual documents is called a word processor. The ribbon shows the different groups of comments according to the selected tab. A cursor is a symbol that indicates the position on the document where the next character will be typed. The default extension of the MS Word 2010 document file is docs. Editing is making changes and correcting in a document. It is done to rectify mistakes and to make the languages and grammar in a document error-free. To carry out any editing comment, we must first select the text that needs to be edited. By using the cut, copy, and paste commands, you can cut or copy text from one part of the document and paste it in the same or another document. Now practice time. Number 1. Which of the following is not present on the title bar, the ruler? Number 2. Which one of the following contains the clipboard group, home? Number 3. Which of the following group is not a part of the insert tab, styles? Number 4. How many tabs are there in MS Word ribbon? 8. Number 5. Which group of the home tab contains the cut, copy, and paste commands, the clipboard? Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Save as is used to save a document with a different name. Number 2. Ctrl+N shortcut keys open a new blank document. Number 3. Save saves the current documents without changing old names. 4. The default file name extension of MS Word is docs. 5. The paragraph group contains different borders. Match the following. Number 1. Ctrl+N goes to create a new document. Number 2. Font group is in Home tab. Number 3. Symbol groups is in Insert tab. Alt+F4 is exiting MS Word, and Ctrl+S is save the current document. True or false? A word processor is a program which processes words. True. The font group is in the Home tab. True. You cannot use the title bar to exit MS Word. False. While selecting text from the last point to the start point, the movement of the mouse is from left to right. False. The Ctrl and C keys are pressed together to copy text. True. And here, answer the questions. Let us go to the notebook. So, number 1 is draw and label the components of a MS Word 2010 window. So, as you can see, you can draw it simply and then please label it. As here, we can label 15 components of them. Number 2, how would you perform the following functions in MS Word? How would you create a document? Step 1, click on a new comment in the File tab. And step 2, select the type of a document you want to create. Blank document, click on the Create button. And how would you save a document? The answer is step 1. Click on the Save icons on Quick Access toolbar or click File tab Save. Step 2. Enter the file name. Select the folder where you want to save this file. And step 3. Click on the Save button. How would you exit MS Word? Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on the Exit button or click on the cross button at the right corner on the control buttons. Question number 3. What is the difference between the save and save as commands of MS Word? Save as command is used if the document is to be saved for the first time and the file name can be given. Save as command is used to save the existing file with another name. What is editing? Editing is making changes and correcting in a document. It is done to rectify mistakes and to make the language and grammar in a document error-free. Number 5. How would you add and remove text in a given document? So, to add the text, step 1. Click the mouse pointer to the desired place or move the cursor with the help of the arrow. Step 2. After positioning the cursor where you want to add the text, you can start typing. And to remove the text, we will do The first step, select the desired text to be deleted with the help of a mouse or a keyboard, and step 2, press delete or backspace key. So if you enjoyed my video, do like, comment and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.